Want to switch back to the WordPress dashboard from Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. For your information, I've added my Elementor affiliate link below for you to use. If you're planning to buy it, you can use my link, which will help both you and me. So start by opening your browser and logging into the back end of your WordPress website. This takes you to the WordPress admin page, where all your site management happens. From the left-hand side menu, click on Pages. Choose the page you want to work with. Let's say the home page. Click on the Edit with Elementor button next to it. Or you can just click on the Home Page option. And on the next page, click on the Edit with Elementor button. Either way, you will be redirected to the Elementor editor. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the left panel and click on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines. A sub-menu will appear. Click on Exit to WordPress. That's it. You'll be taken right back to the WordPress admin dashboard for the page you were editing. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. See you in the next one.